Page 217, this is the one at the top of the page. Still harmonizing here. Let's look it over and get this melody. It's two flats, so we're either in the key of B flat major or G minor. We're studying minors, we're probably in minor. But if you look at the last measure, ending on a G, probably G minor. Okay, and 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is fun. 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, that's the melody. I sort of put in some of the phrasing too. You can lift up for the phrasing. Now the chords. Well, we're doing block chords, what they're suggesting, and we're just G minor, and then we want a C minor here, but we want the G on the bottom. We're using the primary chords. But those are the fancy things. Now they go directly to the 5/7 because it's a D7 here, and they want the F sharp on the bottom. So I'm not using that, so it's here. That's all it is. So you do that. Doesn't sound quite right because we need some other chords, and we're just focusing on these chords right now. Now keep in mind you don't have to play the pattern. They're suggesting block chords as whole notes. But you could try other things. I could do that like the pattern at the top of the last page. There's a note to transpose this to F minor. So we're in G minor, we're going down to F minor. F minor is the relative minor to A flat major. A flat major has 4 flats. I love that one. So here, so we have the 4, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, because you have both a B flat and a D flat. The 5/7 chord. And then here, we're going, instead of the D, we're just going down one note. Instead of a D, it's a here. So it's here. And then here. And again with the melody, once I get started, I'm just following the intervals in the melody. It goes down a second, I do. I'm just playing the notes in the ear. I'm playing those notes. I got to play the notes in the key. Down, then it goes up a 5th here. Down a second. Down a second. Down a second. And then up a second. Up a second. I'm just going up and down a second. That's one way of doing it. Or I could read the notes in the music, and I could mentally just move them down one note in the music. Instead of a D, it's a C. And then instead of a C, it's a B. Except it's a B flat because I got to stay within the key. Play the notes within the key, and F minor has 4 flats. Yeah, it's basically how it might work.